Right now we come to the last part of chapter 1, mole and equations. I name it Stoichiometry part 4. That is about calculation in reaction. Now we discuss about reacting masses and volumes of solution and gases. The learning outcomes, you should be able to write or construct balance equation. Secondly, you should be able to perform calculations including use of the mole concept. So this is very important. Involving reacting masses, volume of gases, and volume and concentrations of solution. How to balance an equation? Here we have the equation of decomposition of ammonia and H3 to be nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. If you calculate here the number of N, on the left hand side only 1. And there are 3 hydrogen. On the right hand side you have 2 nitrogen and 2 hydrogen. This is the formula of hydrogen and nitrogen. But the number of every atom on the left hand side not the same as the right hand side. To balance this equation, meaning that we have to make the number of each atom the same on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Firstly, we check the number of nitrogen, only 1, but on the right hand side we have 2 nitrogen, so we can multiply this by 2. After multiply this by 2, then we get 2N and 6H, 2 times 3. So we get 6H on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, we have only 2. So we need to multiply this by 3. So we have the balance equation 2NH3 decomposes into N2 and 3H2. So in a balanced equation, the total number of different atoms before and after reaction will be the same. The relative amounts of the reactants and products in moles are indicated by the coefficient in the balance equation. In this equation, the coefficient is 2 and then 1 here. Without number means 1 and then 3. So the coefficient of the equation is 2 to 1 to 3. That's the ratio of mole. This one is the ratio of mole. Now we continue with excess and limiting reactions. Continue the opposite reaction. Here we have N2 plus 3H2 already balanced to produce 2NH3. Once again, the coefficient is 1, without number is 1, to 3, to 2. So this is the ratio of mole. We can say every 1 mole of N2 will react with 3 mole of H2 to produce 2 mole of NH3. What if we mix 2 mole and 3 mole? This is the initial. but the ratio is 1 to 3. So every 3 mole of H2 will react only with 1 mole. Then, when we mix 2 mole and 3 mole of H2, then the nitrogen will be in excess of 1 mole. Why? Because what it is needed to react with 3 mole of H2 is only 1 mole. So when we mix 2 and 3, there will be an excess of 1 mole of N2. In this case, the hydrogen gas will be no excess or use up all. Then we say that hydrogen is the limiting agent or limiting reactants or reactants.